So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video we'll cover the best video lighting kits. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. If you want a professional looking video, you'll want professional lighting to ensure it looks its best. And proper lighting becomes one of the most crucial elements in filming compelling content, arguably more important than even the camera setup itself. And while most can get away with a budget camera or even a smartphone, you'll have great difficulty creating a presentable image if the scene is too dark. It used to be that video lights were wildly expensive and limited to the reins of professionals or creators with deep pockets. But these days, the playing field has changed with the advent of LED technology, and we've seen a dramatic fall off in the pricing of most studio lighting kits. So now, good lighting equipment is something available to the masses. Proper lighting creates mood, tone, drama, and interest in your scene, and it also helps guide the eye to focus on the most crucial information. And regardless of your medium, the right lighting kit upgrades your content and takes your footage to the next level. But when it comes to lighting, there are many considerations. And if you're a new videographer, working out the best lighting kit for your project is a daunting task indeed. There's a vast amount of options in the budget segment with varying terminology to define their output, color temperature, accuracy, type, and the value they offer. With that, we've compiled a detailed guide explaining the factors to consider and some industry tips as well. And we'll also cover the best video lighting kits on the present market. If you want to see that complete detailed guide, look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. But with that out of the way, on with the list. Coming at number 5, Westcott's Flex Cine Matte. The Westcott Flex Matte is a unique option in the market, offering precision most flexible LED mattes lack, and it's a modern take on conventional interview lighting. This flexible LED light features a 140 to 360 degree beam angle, 55 watt power, a daylight balance of 5600 Kelvin with a 0 to 100% brightness range, and a CRI of up to 97. Constructed from a heavy-duty aluminum enclosure, the Flex Cine Matte is tough, yet only 1/3 inch thick and less than 3 pounds. It boasts unrivaled adjustability, and its pliable design allows you to fold it for more dynamic lighting. Namely, you can fold it around and change the light spread for 360 degree lighting. The corners of the mat also have magnets and metal grommets, so you can easily mount or hang the light to most surfaces. But you can easily mount it to a stand via the built-in 1/4-20 thread or hang it with the removable D-ring. Even so, its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for traveling. But you'll travel with power, as these lights provide flicker-free performance at up to 960 frames per second for 50,000 plus hours. Plus, it uses both AC continuous power or a V-mount battery, so you can use it on location as well. Other bonuses include IP64 water resistance, a diffuser, the X bracket, and a lifetime limited warranty. Overall, Westcott's Flex Cine is ideal for lighting compact, tight spaces or discreetly adding an accent on set, and it's an excellent option for the demanding filmmaker wanting utmost portability and flexibility without sacrificing power. Coming at number 4, JVM's 560AS. JVM's 560AS is a mid-range budget option aimed at aspiring creators. This 2-light studio lighting kit uses bicolor LED panels. Each light features a 45 degree beam angle, 30 watt power, a bicolor range from 2300 to 6800 Kelvin with a 10 to 100% control range, and a CRI of 97. This light uses an aluminum alloy shell for durability, and this construction also passively cools the device for heat dissipation. You'll mount this particular light using the included adjustable U-shaped bracket, and this light supports both AC continuous power and Sony's NP-F series external batteries, so you can use it out on location for 4 hours. But crucially, it also boasts built-in Wi-Fi, letting you connect remotely via the JVM app for iOS and Android devices. There you can control both the color and brightness of each light separately. Other bonuses include barn doors, 2 light stands, diffusers, and a carrying case. Overall, JVM's 560AS is powerful and affordable, and it's an excellent option for studio setups where you don't need master-slave functionality, but you want more flexibility than rivals. Coming in at number 3, JVM's 800D. JVM's 800D is a budget-friendly means to capture both power and color. This 3-light kit uses an RGB LCD panel with stepless brightness and color controls, and each light features a 120-degree beam angle, 40-watt power, a bicolor range from 3200 to 5600 Kelvin with a 0 to 100% brightness, and a CRI of 97. It uses an aviation aluminum alloy shell designed to dissipate heat and keep the unit cool. You'll mount these lights using a 5/8 receiver to either a separate yoke or the included 360-degree U bracket. These lights also support the Sony L series external batteries, so you can use them on location, and they also have built-in Wi-Fi, letting you pair the device with the accompanying JVM app. There you can conveniently control the color and temperature, but as an RGB light, you can also adjust the color's hue and saturation for more creative effects. Plus, it also has master and slave modes, so you can even remotely control other lights in the kit. Other bonuses include barn doors, 8 special effects, 2 diffusers, 2 light stands, a carrying case, and a 1-year warranty. Overall, JVM's 800D is powerful yet easy on the bank account, and it's a powerful video light that's accurate, flicker-free, and great for interviews or streams. For the price, they offer excellent value and remain a flexible option indeed. Coming at number 2, Rotolight NEO 2. The Rotolight NEO 2 is an LED video light that doubles as a studio strobe for photographers. This 3-light kit uses an LED light with stepless brightness and color controls, and each light features a 50-degree beam angle, 2000 lux brightness, a bicolor range from 3150 to 6300 Kelvin with a 0 to 100% control range, and a CRI of 96. You'll mount this light using the integrated 1/4-20 tripod thread or the included cold shoe adapter. Each light also supports continuous AC power as well as 6 AA batteries or DTAP, and with rechargeable AA batteries, expect an hour and a half of continuous output at its max power or 85,000 full power flashes. These lights also boast true aperture dimming, which calculates the aperture at a given distance, removing the need for guessing or using a light meter. These lights are also entirely flicker-free, ensuring you never witness unwanted changes in brightness or color. Plus, there's no recycle time or loss in power, so it's ideal for capturing action at high frame rates. Rotolight also includes a 10-piece filter kit with various diffusions and hues to create unique looks, and other bonuses include Cine special effects, a built-in flash receiver, 3 light stands, and a hardshell case. Overall, the NEO 2 is a revolution amongst LED lights, and it brilliantly combines the flexibility of high-speed sync flash capabilities with an otherwise powerful video light, and it's an excellent complement for both photographers and videographers looking for a lightweight and portable solution. Coming at number 1, Rotolight AEOS. The Rotolight AEOS is the big brother to the NEO 2 family. This 2-light kit uses an LED light with stepless brightness and color controls. Each light features a 50-degree beam angle, 5750 lux, a bicolor range of 3150 to 6300 Kelvin with a 0 to 100% control range and a CRI of 96. You'll carry this light using the integrated aluminum handles or mount it using the 1/4-20 tripod thread or the included 360-degree ball head. Like the NEO 2, these lights also offer high-speed sync, which also doubles the light's power. Each light also supports continuous AC power or an optional V-mount battery pack with a 3-hour runtime. They even obtain the true aperture dimming function to calculate the correct aperture at a given distance automatically, but unlike the NEO, it boasts designer fade support, letting you create custom fade transitions for reveal shots, and it does so with a 100,000 hour lifespan with flicker-free technology. Other bonuses include a 4-piece filter set, Cine special effects, a built-in flash receiver, 2 light stands, a shoulder strap, and a water-resistant nylon carrying bag. Overall, Rotolight's AEOS shines as the most powerful and lightweight bicolor LED kit around, and it's a low-profile travel companion that's well suited for both photographers and videographers, but one that brings tremendous versatility to any set. So there you have it, my friends. There's our list of the best video lighting kits. For more information on this list or to read the detailed guide, look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. Photography.